We are following some breaking news today out of the Live 5 First Alert Desk. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Katie Kamen. The South Carolina Supreme Court has ruled this morning that the state's fetal heartbeat law is constitutional. The High Court also lifted an injunction blocking the law until the ruling could be made. Now, here is how we got here. The state's Fetal Heartbeat and Protection from Abortion Act was first passed back in 2021. That prompted a lawsuit by Planned Parenthood South Atlantic and others who claimed the law violated the state's constitution. The Supreme Court put the law on hold and heard arguments about it. Now, this past January, it struck down that law. The General Assembly went back to work, passing a revised version that Governor Henry McMaster signed in May. That prompted another lawsuit. The court heard arguments back in June. In this morning's ruling, they said it was, quote, unmistakable that the legislature focused on the alleged defects in the 2021 Act, unquote. So here's what that new version does. First, it prohibits abortions after the detection of a fetal heartbeat, not at a specific number of weeks into a pregnancy. It also provides limited exceptions. Those include concerns about the health of the mother, fatal fetal anomalies, and in cases of rape or incest. Now, Governor Henry McMaster, who signed that new version of the bill into law on May 25th, he released a statement on that ruling saying the Supreme Court's ruling marks a historic moment in our state's history and is the culmination of years of hard work and determination by so many in our state to ensure that the sanctity of life is protected. With this victory, we protect the lives of countless unborn children and reaffirm South Carolina's place as one of the most pro-life states in America. Now, we are obviously continuing to follow some new developments on this story, but again, the South Carolina Supreme Court has ruled that the state's fetal heartbeat bill, which generally bans abortions after a fetal heartbeat is detected, with limited exceptions, they've ruled that is constitutional. So join us for more updates coming up on Live 5 News at noon and 4 and 5, as well as at live5news.com.